Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Or you want to recover your Google Authenticator code. So if you want to recover, then simply watch this video until the end. Guys, this is very simple steps. First of all, open your Gmail. Now guys, click on your profile. Now go to manage your Google account. Now guys, you can see security and sign in option. Simply click on it. Now guys, scroll down and you can see two-step verification option. Now guys, scroll down and you can see authenticator option. Simply tap on it. Now guys, click on set authenticator. Now guys, you see an scanner. Simply take a screenshot for that scanner. Now you need to minimize that page. Now guys, you need to download a scanner. Simply go to your Play Store and search barcode scanner. Now guys, you can see those scanners. Simply open that. I have already downloaded. When you download that scanner, simply open it. Now guys, you can see gallery option. Simply click on it. Now guys, you need to take those screenshot. Now guys, you can see open. Click on it. Now click on yes. Now guys, you can see those code. This code is just here. Now guys, you can see those code is just here. Simply you need to copy that code and you need to back those page. Now guys, you can see next option. Click on it. Now guys, you can see and think enter code. You need to paste that code we copied there. Now guys, you can see verify option. Simply click on it. Now guys, you can see your authenticator added just now. Now guys, that's all. If you like those video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.